हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कनेक्टिंग विद अकाउंट्स। आज इस वीडियो में हम कुछ अकाउंटिंग और फाइनेंशियल एब्रीविएशंस के बारे में जानेंगे। सो लेट्स लर्न। AR accounts receivable, AP accounts payable, AMC asset management company, AS accounting standard, ASB accounting standards board, AIS accounting information system, AGM annual general meeting, BS balance sheet, BNC bonds and coupons, BRS bank reconciliation statement, BV book value, BEP break even point. BACS Bankers Automated Clearing System, BOE Bill of Exchange, B2C Business to Consumer, B2B Business to Business, BD Brought Down, CA Chartered Accountant, CS Company Secretary, COGS Cost of Goods Sold, CEO Chief Executive Officer, CFO Chief Financial Officer, COO Chief Operating Officer, CPA Certified Public Accountant. CFA Certified Financial Analyst, CPU Cost per Unit, CA Current Assets, CL Current Liabilities, CAP Capital, CAPEX Capital Expenditure, CFS Cash Flow Statement, COE Cost of Equity, CR Credit, CRR Capital Redemption Reserve, CRR Cash Reserve Ratio, CR Current Ratio. CHAPS Clearinghouse Automated Payment System, CTT Commodity Transaction Tax, CC Cash Credit, CASA Current Account and Savings Account, CD Carried Down, CP Cost Price, DR Debit, DRR Debenture Redemption Reserve, DD Demand Draft, DPS Dividend per Share, D2C Direct to Consumer, EPS Earnings per Share. EBIT Earnings Before Interest and Taxes, EBITDA Earnings Before Interest, Taxes, Depreciation and Amortization, EMI Equated Monthly Installment, EFT Electronic Funds Transfer, FA Fixed Assets, FIFO First in First Out, GAAP Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GST Goods and Services Tax, GL General Ledger, GP Gross Profit, GM Gross Margin, HP Hire Purchase, ICAI Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICSI Institute of Company Secretaries of India, IFRS International Financial Reporting Standards, IPO Initial Public Offering, ITR Income Tax Return, IMPS Immediate Payment Service, JF Journal Folio, KYC Know Your Customer or Client, LLP Limited Liability Partnership, LIFO Last in First Out, LF Ledger Folio, L2C Lead to Cash. MV Market Value, MIS Management Information System, NP Net Profit, NI Net Income, NEFT National Electronic Funds Transfer, O2C Order to Cash, OE Owner's Equity, OP Operating Profit, OE Operating Expenses, PV Present Value, PNL Profit and Loss Statement, PI Proforma Invoice, PO Purchase Order, PAT Profit After Tax, QA Quick Assets, QL Quick Liabilities, QR Quick Ratio, RBI Reserve Bank of India, ROI Return on Investment, RTGS Real Time Gross Settlement, SEBI Securities and Exchange Board of India, SLM Straight Line Method, STT Securities Transaction Tax, SLR Statutory Liquidity Ratio. SP Selling Price, SWIFT Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications, TDS Tax Deducted at Source, VAS Value Added Services, VC Venture Capital, WC Working Capital, WDV Written Down Value Method, WIP Work in Progress, YTD Year to Date, YOY Year over Year, ZBB Zero Based Budgeting. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for such learning videos.